Righto, Year 10, it's time to look at how to find the volume of pyramids and cones. So we've looked at the volume of prisms, now pyramids and cones. So let's have a little look here at what this entails. So let's start off, and I'm going to start by drawing what's supposed to be a cube, and we'll see what eventuates here, but that's what I'm aiming for. So if I connect all the lines here, okay, so that's roughly a cube, isn't it? And what we know about the cube and its volume is that if I've got a cross-sectional face, and maybe, it doesn't matter which one that is necessarily, let's take that base there, and we find its area and we multiply by the height, and that gives us the volume of this cube. Okay, but what about a pyramid? Let's try and test my skills here and try and draw here a pyramid that sits on the same base. So I'm going to try and draw a square base pyramid here that sits on the same base. So just drop that down there, and okay, so there's a pyramid. Let's say it's got the same height, it's got the same base, but obviously it's a pyramid and not a prism, so it's got a smaller volume. And what is the relationship then between this pyramid and this prism in terms of the relationship between the volumes? Well, the relationship is this: it's 1/3. We can fit 3 of these pyramids into this cube, this square base pyramid. I could fit 3 of those into this cube with the same square base and the same height. So what we find firstly for the volume of pyramids is that we make one slight adjustment, and the volume of a pyramid equals 1/3 A times H, and that is it. A still represents our cross-sectional area. H still represents our height. So this is our H here. This is from base to apex, and obviously 1/3 is 1/3. Similar, if you like, to the two-dimensional triangle, where we take a triangle, and what we know about a triangle is that if we slot it into a rectangle of the same dimension, so if this is 3 by 4, then if the rectangle is obviously 12, the triangle takes up half of that, doesn't it? So it's a half by 3 by 4. So it's the same kind of idea here. We take the area of our cross-sectional face, which is very easy to identify, I think, especially with a pyramid. It's the base opposite the apex. Take that area, multiply by the height, and divide by 3, and that's all there is to it. Okay, so I'm going to have a go at drawing a few more. Let's just draw up a little triangular pyramid here. So we'll go. Oh, I can do better than that, I feel. Let's get righto. So we're just going to draw a basic little triangular pyramid here, like so. And what we're going to do is find its volume. Now we need to give you some dimensions here. So this is our base here, isn't it? It's a triangular base here. I've just shaded that in to give it a bit of perspective, but that's my triangular base. So if I've got, what you're going to need here is you're going to need to know what the height of the triangle is, because you need to find that area. So if that height there of the triangle is equal to let's say 7 centimeters, and this base here is 8 centimeters, and then what you need is the height of the pyramid itself, which I'm going to say is 6 centimeters. So that's the height of the pyramid. So in calculating the volume of this pyramid, we're going to go volume equals 1/3, because it's a pyramid, AH, which equals 1/3. A represents the area of this triangle here. So the area of the triangle is a half by height by base, so half by 7 by 8. And then we multiply that by the height of the pyramid, which is 6. So we just do a little calculation here. So this here is my A. That's my A. This is my H. A third AH. So come back to the calculation. This is 28. So half times 8 is 4 sevens are 28 by 6. 36 is 2 by 28 is 56. We're in centimetres. It's volume, so it's centimetres cubed. And that's that. Okay, let's have a look at one more example. We go with this time we'll go with a square-based pyramid. So we'll just go like so. Drawing the dots up here a little bit. So in this square-based pyramid, we're going to, or this rectangular-based pyramid, let's say, 5, 7, and my height here from here up to the top. So my height is equal to, we'll go in centimetres again, 4 centimetres. So my volume in this case is simply again 1/3, because it's a pyramid, by the area of the base, which is 5 by 7. That's my A, times the height, which is 4. And so we get 1/3 by, well, that's 35 by 4, which is 35 fours are 140 over 3, which is 46 2/3 centimetres cubed as a volume. So we're all good now to work on exercise 6G when I next see you in class on Wednesday. Okay, see you then.